Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the little Lego display, so, let me just, okay. Okay, so here we are. There's some glow-in-the-dark stuff there. There's a house, I think. I don't know what that is. There's things of interest. Down here, there is some, looks like some sushi right there. Slushy, computers and stuff. Mopeds, stud shooters. There's a bit of jungle. There's a boat. There's a bit of desert over there. There's a monkey on the pole. There's the smartest man of all of Chicago, Dr. Mindbrain. Don't quote me on that. There's a building. Spent too much money on that. Right there. There's some ships. There's another thing I spent too much money on. There's more things. You know, they say you can never have too many stormtroopers. Well, I proved them wrong. Yeah. There we go. I just noticed this stuff loose there. Okay, just there we go. It's my custom ATST. It's a little wobbly, but I did that for more of the posability. There's this thing. Here's a clay figure I made of myself in my work clothes. There we go. There's a framed photograph of Danny DeVito. There's this is a memoriam of a dead fandom. Rest in peace, Bionicle fandom. Yeah, like I said, it used to be a thing. There's the Yellow Submarine, the America. There's something I also spent too much money on, mostly because of the goddamn Germans. Never import a $20-year-old Lego set from Germany, especially if it's brand new and an exclusive. That's what I did with this, because it came with that. Still have a box. It's right there. It cost me $90. That includes shipping. So, you know. Here's the Doctor Who stuff, and there's Darth Revan, because he's the new Doctor, I guess. How am I doing? Well, that's enough of that. Good night, everybody. It's time to die. You know, it's almost like the dragon is aggressively pelvic thrusting forward. As if he, through his erotic movements, moves the ship along the seas. Nature is beautiful.